Structure's not big as in proportions like this red splash here, it's perfectly smooth. Structure is not as big in proportion to the body. I think we've got better birds here, so I think they'll be better spread out and given a chance to stop fighting.
Moving with the motion.
Really nice birds. Nothing wrong with any of these birds. There is potential, great potential in breeding from all of these birds. We've got some good height. You can see there's consistent height. There is consistent in splashing. We haven't got anything too light, nothing too dark. We've got equal chains and manes. We perhaps just lack those tiny little features which have made them not hang out with these guys up here. So we have got, this time we have got 4-inch red splash. You could say it's not quite as well marked. It has a slightly better outline, a slightly better shape than the black splash. The black splash here obviously loses some marks, some potential points for its lack of marking. However, it does have a very nice outline. The body is always correct, shoulders looking vertical. The legs are quite excellent. The proportion of splashing obviously is poor, but it has a nice equal chain to mane construction. And then we have this one, which is first. It's good colour as a splash. It's actually good colour splash as well. The red is nice dark red. Yes, it's a dark one, but it's definitely the best bird here. So first place. Technically it is not a splash, however it looks like a splash. I think it's a homozygous Andalusian.
Up to you. Your choice.
Let's leave it here, it looks like a splash. I would prefer to judge this as a white.
इस बर्ड को वाइट के तौर पे खेलना चाहिए.
We have some really beautifully marked ones. I'm looking for potentially the best marks, which probably could be this black. The splash is meant to be 50% white, 50% colour. It has a tendency to look slightly lighter because we have the white head and we have the white tail, but we really need to aim for 50% white, 50% colour. So, showing this one as a splash gives it a bit of a disadvantage. However, I think this one has just enough coloured feathers. When judging a splash Jacobin, the colour must also be important. We can see by this yellow splash here, it is not a deep coloured yellow, it is a light coloured yellow. So for that, it would lose some points or some percentage for the colour of the splash, and it would also lose some points for the fact that it is not as well white colour distributed. So, down this end we have the ones which are all the runners up today. We've got some nice standing Jacobins with nice chain construction, we've got some nice mane. I really like this homozygous Andalusian, I think it's a double indigo colour bird, but it looks like a splash, which is why I left it in.